169 trainer ground runway 35 left, altimeter 2989er, catch Yankee Bravo, Yankee and Charlie, contact Tower 118 decimal 4 holding short.
Yankee, Charlie, Tower 18-4 holding short, port 169.
Basler 4029 there, continue number 1 now to runway 35 left.
Number 1, check,
Contact ground 121. Park 169 trainer, Roger, remain holding short, traffic a mile final.
Holding short, Park 169.
Park 169 trainer, line up at the threshold, runway 35 left.
Park 169 trainer, line up threshold 35 left.
This 134, contact departure 12452 airborne, depart on heading at 340, clear takeoff, runway 35 left at Charlie 3.
Okay, it'll be heading 340 on the departure frequency on climb out and just confirm clear for takeoff 35 left at 134.
Move, you're on clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff 35 left at 134.
Park 169 trainer, just stay with me for now. The winds are calm, clear takeoff, runway 35 left.
Stay with you for now, clear for takeoff 35 left, Park 169 trainer.
Departure 1245. Park 169 trainer, fly heading 340. And in that turn, you can contact departure 12452.
340, switching departure 12452, Park 169 trainer.